big old grass pond.
They're going crazy getting this fucking thing open.
There's a few fish in this ditch.
Flathead was laying right over here. Holy cow, look at that! Holy cow!
I'd say they're getting tickled.
Yeah, but there gotta be that flathead